He's gasping for air, saying he can't breathe.
After Jason was brought to the jail, you at some point administered a taser gun.
I didn't.
Who administered the taser
The
gun?
deputy jailers.
But up to this point, Jason was never administered an inhaler.
Nowhere to my knowledge was he administered anything.
He was taken to the jail cell. And are you aware of the fact that a nurse later had to come in because he was not feeling well?
No.
And that she was the one to administer an inhaler several hours after the arrest?
I have no knowledge of that.